Hi, welcome to Addfield. My name is Chloe and today we're looking at something very special. I know you're probably thinking, Chloe, this is just a container. We've seen a PET 200 in a container, we've seen a C200 in a container and even a GM750 in a container. But my answer to this is you've never seen an A50 IC1 in a container. We thought it couldn't be done, but here at Addfield we are continuously pushing the boundaries of innovation to help you get the right solution for your site. So the A50 IC1 is the first unit in our premium multi-chambered PET cremator range. It can handle up to 15 individual PET cremations a day, which is truly significant throughput, whether you're a starting business or an existing crematorium looking for a machine that can keep up with your increasing workload. This is the machine for you. So the A50 IC1, just like every other Addfield machine, uses a hot hearth system, which means the chamber is heated from the chamber floor, ensuring there's no cold spots and just a generally more efficient and high quality ash result. So this is your cremation chamber and this is your finishing chamber. Ideally you would load your PET at the start of the day in the starting chamber, and then after a period of time you would move the ashes down to the finishing chamber and load your next PET in the cremation chamber. Down here is the de-ashing tray. This is our new style de-ashing tray that has been designed to be more ergonomical and easier for you to use as an operator. As you can see here, there's a funnel here to help you decant the ashes into the cremulator or the urn. Safety is really important for us here at Addfield. As you can see here, on each door we've got a limit switch which triggers when the door is open, it automatically switches the burners off. You might also want to check on the cremation throughout the process. So on each door we have this handy viewport which allows you to open up and check on the cremation without having to open the door. So you control everything using this control panel, using the touchscreen pad which has data login and also the burner controls here. And what you'll see here is the carcass selection, a feature that is exclusive to the A50 IC range. The fresh frozen system optimises how your machine cremates the PETs that you are loading. Now the beauty of having the A50 IC1 installed in a container is that it's a ready-to-go solution. You're not going to be waiting on a building to be built or reliant on specific premises. The container can be installed anywhere and it's a secure and weatherproof solution. For a new business starting out or an existing crematorium looking to expand but may lack space, this unit is a game changer. You could even go the extra mile and install cladding on your container to keep up with your site aesthetics or just for a more gentle look for your customers. So as I said, my name is Chloe and this is the A50 IC1 in the container. If you want any more information on this or any of our other PET cremation machines, reach out to sales@addfield.com.